What's up, everybody? This is your buddy Repellent and Hawthorne. I'm here with another unboxing from Amazon from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other hundreds and hundreds, maybe thousands of unboxings. I don't know. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can also use my username London Hawthorne when you're checking out at websites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Full paper. And this is Emergen-C, 1,000 milligram vitamin C daily immune support, antioxidants, B vitamins, and electrolytes. This is the super orange flavor. I am trying to, like a lot of people, stay healthy, trying to keep my family healthy. And every day we try and take some Emergen-C to supplement vitamins. Try and get healthy, stay happy, get through it one day at a time. Hopefully this stuff works. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not sponsored by Amazon or Emergen-C, but I would love to be. If you want to sponsor my videos, holler at your boy. Let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite flavor? They got cherry, they got raspberry, they have orange. I'm all about being healthy and saving a little bit of money. Leave a comment below. I wish you the best. Have a great day.